Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful crochet sewing ideas for you guys. These are so incredible and very pretty. Crochet sewing ideas for you guys. I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very unique and very classy ideas for you guys. Always take care. Always be happy. These are very unique and very amazing crochet sewing ideas for you guys. You guys easily make these ideas at your homes. You must watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of videos, and I hope so you enjoyed this video. You guys share this video with your friends and with your family members. This is very pretty ideas for you guys. So guys, remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very amazing and very incredible crochet sewing ideas for you guys. So viewers, Take care of yourself. Stay tuned till the next video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz, guys.